Hey everyone! Welcome back to KhalidTech. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone trying to make money online. Why most people fail to make money online, and how you can succeed. If you've tried to earn money online and found it challenging, stick around because I'm going to break down the reasons why so many people fall short and share practical tips on how you can turn things around. Let's start by talking about why most people fail when trying to make money online. Understanding these pitfalls can be the first step toward avoiding them. 1. Lack of clear goals. One of the biggest reasons people fail is that they don't set clear, achievable goals. Without a roadmap, it's easy to get lost and lose motivation. If you're not sure what you want to achieve or how to get there, it's almost impossible to succeed. 2. Unrealistic expectations. Many people jump into online money-making schemes with the expectation of instant success. They think they'll make thousands overnight. The reality is, building a successful online income stream takes time, effort, and persistence. Now that we've identified some common reasons for failure, let's talk about how you can overcome these challenges and achieve success. 1. Set specific, realistic goals. Start by setting clear, specific goals for what you want to achieve. Instead of vague objectives like, I want to make money online, aim for something more concrete, such as, I want to earn $500 a month from freelance writing by the end of the year. Break these goals down into smaller, manageable tasks. 2. Educate yourself and stay persistent. Knowledge is power. Invest time in learning about your chosen method of online earning, whether it's affiliate marketing, freelancing, or e-commerce. Don't be discouraged by setbacks. Persistence is key. Keep learning, experimenting, and adjusting your strategies. 3. Avoid get-rich-quick schemes. There are countless get-rich-quick schemes online, and most of them are scams or unrealistic. Focus on building legitimate skills and strategies that require effort and time but are proven to work. 4. Build a support network. Surround yourself with people who are also pursuing online income goals. Join forums, online communities, or social media groups where you can exchange ideas, get feedback, and stay motivated. 5. Track your progress and adapt regularly. Review your progress toward your goals. Use tools to track your performance and be willing to adapt your strategies based on what's working and what's not. By setting clear goals, educating yourself, avoiding shortcuts, building a support network, and tracking your progress, you'll be in a much better position to succeed online. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with the right approach, it's definitely achievable. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from these tips. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep striving for success, and take care.